This is how Mango plays with his rings. You finished playing with your ring? Oh, very good, Mango. Got your ring there. Pushing everything down the slide. Very good, you pushed the ball. There's a ring there. Yes, there's a ring. So what are you going to do, Mango? You like to push the chickadee down. There goes your ring. Yes, Mango, you want to play with your ring? Well, come get the rings, Mango. Come on, Mommy has the rings. See? Mommy has the rings. Come get it. Come get it. Up. Come. You want your rings? Come get it, Mango. Come get the rings then. You don't want to? Alright, Mommy put the rings here. You go play with the rings. Oh, very good. You pushed the ball down again. Okay, let me push the ball. Oh, the ball went down this way. This is actually a cat toy. But it doesn't matter, Mango's having fun. Yes, Mango's having fun. How many rings are here, Mango? 3, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 rings. Come on, Mango. Come on back. Where's Mango? Come on back. Yes. There you go. You like to play with chickadee. How about your piano? Play piano? Now what do you do when you stand on chickadee? What do you do when you stand on chickadee? You just like to wiggle him, right? You like to wiggle until he chirps. Yep, there you go. There you go. You push chickadee down so he can chirp for you. Want to push the ball, Mango? Mango, push the ball. Chickadee is chirping a lot. Mango? Hmm? Mango? What's Mango doing now? Hmm? What's Mango doing? You're thinking about what you're going to play next, right? Where's your ring? Yeah, your ring is over on the side. You pushed the ball. Very good. Come on, give Mommy a kiss. Give Mommy a kiss. You pushed the ball down. Very good, Mango. 1, 2. Take out the third ring. 3. Very good. Now, once you take off the rings from the elephant's nose, what do you do with them? Can you show us? Can Mango show us what you do with the rings? Huh? Can Mango show us? What are you thinking of, Mango? Well, I see a ring here. Mommy's going to put it on the peg. 1, 2. Want to go get that rings? Want to go get the ring? Or are you tired? Come here. Come to Mommy. Want to play with these? Take out the rings. 1, 2. Very good, Mango. Two, 3, 1. You asking Mommy to count? 1. Mango's a good boy.
I love you, baby.
I love you too. Mango's a pretty, pretty bird. You're fixing your feathers.